Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with the Fenty Beauty Moroccan spice that we got in our boxy charm, and I wanted to make a look so everybody could get an idea of what kind of look they can make. I do know it's probably a little older palette, but it is very colorful. I think it's very beautiful. I don't think it has a lot of neutrals though. And a little splash of color. I really like this palette. I've swatched it. I really ain't got to play with it yet. So I figured we'd sit down today and film with it and try the Trophy Wife and go ahead and use these. I do have the shadow stick, but I'm not really crazy about it. I have been watching, waiting on my boxes, and I got an email from Boxy Charm telling me like 2 weeks ago that my Boxy Lux had been sent out. Well, it is still like all it says is label created, so it's like it's not even left. I do not know what's going on there. So I think that we're gonna start. I'm gonna use see the third color over. Quicksand, this really pretty pink, and transition with it. And I was just wondering, has anyone else had that trouble with their Boxy Charm or Boxy Lux about getting it? I did get my Boxy Premium already, but it's been like, actually, like way before I got it, around the same time, I got an email saying they both had been sent out, but I've already got my premium, and I was just wondering if anyone else is having trouble like that. I'm going to switch brushes. I really like to blend out with that. I really don't like to put my shadows on with that. I think that is such a pretty pink. It's really like light. I mean, it's got really good pigment to it. Okay, so our next shade, we're just going to go in with the pink right here. And it is called Saffron. And I'm going to use this brush. It looks like it is a Luxie. I was going to say it looks like Luxie, but it ain't. I have some that's I bought a long time ago. They look just like the Luxie brushes, but they don't have no name. And I'm really just packing this into the crease. Then I will blend it out. I got that. I'm really liking the way it turned out. I just blended it all outward. And then I am going to take the color Fizz Up, which is this really like dark purple here. And this is actually the Luxie Mini. And I'm pretty much just packing it on there too. but I'm going to blend inward with that. Okay, so I got that. I like how everything is turning out. I didn't have no fallout, but I did get a little bit, touched the purple right here and did like touch my face. So I'm really not having like fallout or anything with this. And I do like that. Then I think I'm going to use, like, debating on these two colors. I think I'm going to take Mare Itch and put all over the lid. And since it is shimmer, I'm just using my finger. Okay, so I like that. And I am going to take a smaller brush and I think I'll just use this Morphe brush right here, and I'm going to take the color Sahara Stunna. It's this really pretty pink, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner and bring it upward. Okay, so I do like that. And then let me throw, no, let's use like the white color that's called Moroccan Ice and put on our outer corners. Ooh, now see, it gets falling apart a little bit. When you go to pick it up, you can see where it's like a chunk missing now. But it is such a pretty color. I want to take that fluffy brush and dip back in with that light purple and just smooth everything out. Okay, so let me throw some liner on and some mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I've got my liner, mascara on, threw some lashes on, and these are the Cara Beauty ones that I did receive in my Lashy box this month. I love these lashes. This is the first time wearing these. I wore the other ones a couple of times, and I absolutely love them. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit highlighter. So we are using the Trophy Wife. It's like a real pretty gold. Right here it is. I mean, pigment. Probably like a little bit too much for me. Okay, so I'm lightly going in with it because I really don't want like gold. Okay, so we got that. I do want to go back to the palette, and I am going to use that real pretty blue, and it is called Evil Genie. And I am just going to take a small brush, and I am going to do underneath the water lines. Then I'm going to take a little bit more of that white and put back here again. Even though this Maracouche is like a shimmer color, I am going to put a little bit on a blending brush, and I am going to blend that out. I'm trying to look for a small blending brush. I think I'll use this right here. And just... Okay, so we got that. My nose is like really shiny. Okay, so our next thing is we're going to use the Fenty Beauty, the matte lip. It is like this real pretty brown. And what color did I get? PMS, that's right. Okay. Okay. I probably have to end up taking a liner and evening it up, but then we are going to do the gloss on top of that, and that is the Diamond Milk Gloss. Here is a swatch of it. It's beautiful. Okay, it will turn your brush colors, but that's okay. Okay, so I love this. I think this made a really good look. I think it looks good. I love how the blue pops. I do got a little spot I got to clean up here, but that's good. I really like how everything turned out. I do like the highlighter, even though I have to go lightly for my skin tone because I am like really, really light. My neck looks red today. It's like stress is getting me. But, I mean, I really like it. I would wear this anywhere. So I just thought I'd film a video showing people, because a lot of people got this palette, and I thought I'd just show you an easy look to make. This wasn't really hard. We used like 4 or 5 colors, maybe 6. I didn't really count, but I like the way it came out. I love the colors. I love that pink. It's just so pretty. And I guess that's it. I hope you guys did like this look. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.